everyone. I'm Carrie Pena, and this is Front Doors TV, brought to you today from the Center for Positive Media. Joining me here in studio is Carrie Sullivan from Maggie's Place. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you so much. We're excited.
You are the AmeriCorps liaison, and you know what you're talking about because you served. Tell us what that's all about.
Absolutely. So Maggie's Place is an organization that provides housing and wraparound resources for pregnant and parenting women and their children who are experiencing homelessness. And our model is such that it's pretty unique. We run out of single-family homes. And so our moms are welcomed into a safe and loving community. And our homes are staffed by live-in AmeriCorps members.
And tell us a little bit about the time that you were living in the home.
So I lived in the homes for 2 years, and it really is such a community feel. I think that was one of the things that surprised me, is you put a large group of people together. Each of our homes houses between 6 and 7 moms, and then we have 2 to 4 live-in AmeriCorps members that are living in intentional community alongside. And when I look back on my times in the homes, I remember the challenging days and the days that I really grew a lot. And I also remember there was a lot of laughter and a lot of fun. So anything that you do in your homes, we do in our homes. Decorating for holidays, celebrating birthdays and soberversaries, and just hanging out and watching movies in between supporting moms and babies. That's all part of support.
You can see just how joyful you are in speaking about this, because these are families that have gone through a lot of hard times. But seeing the joy, the laughter, the love, the light is vitally important to their healing.
Absolutely. And regardless of who you are, we can all use another person on our team. And that's what Maggie's Place and AmeriCorps serves to do, is to be one more person that says, hey, I believe in you, I'm here on your team, and I want to support you.
So tell us more about what it means when you say intentional community.
Intentional community means we are there to support each other and live and share everyday life. And so whether that is holding a mom's baby so she can go take a shower, because caring for a newborn is really hard work, or if that means sitting and watching, the new movie that came out. That is sharing in those big and those little moments.
Yes.
Our AmeriCorps members, some even accompany our moms to their births, or going to a doctor's appointment and being there to just provide that emotional support and help that mom feel that she can ask the questions that she wants answered. And so intentional community it's really made up of all those little small things that creates consistency for our moms.
Can I sign up to be the baby holder? That sounds like a really good volunteer opportunity. Thank you so much for all you do. I love the work at Maggie's Place. And if people want to find out more about Maggie's Place in general or participating with the AmeriCorps, where can they go?
Absolutely. They can go to maggiesplace.org.
Appreciate you very much. And thanks to all of you for watching Front Doors TV. I'm Carrie Pena.